This is how I made Teri Yaad Aati Hai. We start with the kick drum, snare, now hi-hats, my fake bass guitar, now bell chords, grand piano, add some 80s synthesizers, the last one, flute. When we add the vocals, it sounds like this.